My name is Sparky, and I'm coming to you from the kitchen at the fire station. Did you know that cooking is the #1 cause of fires? There are 3 rules you have to remember to prevent fires. You have to keep anything that can burn 3 feet away from the stove. Some examples are towels, oven mitts, and paper towels. Never leave the kitchen when you're cooking. Just remember to stay and look while you cook. If you have a fire on your stove, safely attempt to cover it with a lid or baking sheet. If possible, turn the stove off. Then, call 911. Just remember, not every hero wears a cape. Plan and practice your escape.